Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this funny phone holder for motorcycles and bicycles from JOYROOM. Make choice by Simple. Premium quality, real standard 100% since 2009. With strong compatibility, it supports 4.7 to 6.8 inch mobile phone, if that is an iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, Google phones, with mechanical interlocking design. 360 degrees rotation, one hand operation, and let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Install it to my bicycle in my case and see how well it can hold my smartphone. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Wow, and it looks great. Nice design, I like it. Robust, well manufactured. JOYROOM logo, silicone black at the back, protects your smartphone. At the bottom, left and right, red silicone. And at the top. Nice. This screw, it is for the holder. I think the holder is at this case. Nice, quite heavy. With 4 anti-silicone, yellow and black, different dimensions. It depends the handlebar, where you want to install it. This is metal, plastic around, metal screw, you can adjust it and then just lock. I will show you when I'm going to install at my bike. That goes here, unscrew, and then you need just to press, unscrew more. Tight it with this screw, not too much, adjust it, and then after finding the right position you can tie the screw. At the back we have the back slide switch. Can provide reinforced protection and it can resistant to bumpy roads. Well, let's test it. We need my smartphone. There is my smartphone. Just pull and that was all. And it locks the smartphone at the phone holder. Very secure. It doesn't take no more than 1 second. At the back we can see this metal. It is a very good construction, definitely. I like it. And with a lock switch, just press and it locks. Now I'm trying to remove my smartphone, but no, because it's locked. Very good idea for pumping roads. And to unlock, just press unlocks. Remove your smartphone and again reinstall it. Wow, so easy. I like it. I can't wait to install that on my bike. Well, let's do that. Now for installing we need to remove the screw, rubber, and the silicone. Install that at the handlebar and then the screw. Adjust it, find the right position you want. The screw, and again just press, it will lock. Installing the screw. I think this position is okay. We need to screw more that. Perfect. And then just press this lever and lock it. And then with a huge nut at the back, secure very well. Make the adjustments. And it is so tight. I like it. my smartphone, and it's holding very well my smartphone. And you can check everything at your smartphone, but for your safety, when you are driving, don't check your smartphone, pull over and do whatever you want. And of course you can load kit at the back, it doesn't go anywhere, you cannot remove your smartphone, unlock and remove. Motorcycle or bicycle handlebar, it can fit perfectly securing your smartphone at any terrain. With a high speed more than 100 km. Will be very secure and all the time you can check visually your phone without touching it. I am using for a week this holder on my bike and honestly I don't be afraid losing my phone on the tough road. If you want to find out more information and where you can buy this product, you can check down below in the description. And with that saying, my viewers, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.